We at Diwo are honored to be part of Strata 2017. Thanks for the opportunity, and thanks for being here. My name is Gaurav Johari. I'm the principal business architect for Diwo. Diwo is our cognitive AI decision-making platform. It, my presentation would talk about how will you qualify your intuitions with cognitive decision-making. So at a high level, Diwo stands for data in, wisdom out. We know everything starts with data. Data is everywhere, but it is unidimensional entity. It resides in the customer's dimensions, in products, in transactions, which are promotions, your point of sales, etc. So to give an example, typically this data would be your customer name, their age, the times they come to the stores, etc. But standalone, they don't add a lot of value to your business, right? So we go to the next level, which is information. Information is really connecting the dots between those data sets. It's about forging relationships so that you can really understand what your data means to you, what is it making sense to you. So in this example, with your data sets in different places, you now know that, well, there is a customer who frequently visits you. He is well-to-do, and he has some hobbies. So you know a little bit more about them. But is it something that you can really use in your business to make decisions? Well, I don't think so. Then comes knowledge. And knowledge is essentially connecting these information blocks together and help them contextually relate to so that you know what's really happening, what's the reasoning behind it. And that's where, in this example, if you really talk about knowledge, you know this customer even further deep, that he is of certain age, he has certain hobbies, he has a persona. And that persona is pretty much the knowledge that you gain from your information blocks and the data behind it. But knowledge with no action has no value at the end of the day. So what really means to business is the wisdom that they can actually apply by using these information and knowledge blocks in the domain that they can use, giving them a holistic picture about their business. And wisdom is all we aspire in our organization. So in this example, you can relate different sources of knowledge within your customer's behavior, the customer's dimensions, and your product behaviors and dimensions. And if you really tie them together, you have an actionable insight that you can now apply to your business and create value. So enterprises are not different at all. They have data sources across thousands and hundreds of sources. It's internal, it's external, but when they combine, when have a relationship together, then they start making sense. Sense in terms of matrices, sense in terms of reports, BI, which adds value, but it's really not where the knowledge is. And knowledge is the level of cognition where you can use these sets of information to deliver value. Now, this value comes from knowing how they contribute to your business goals and objectives. And these knowledge blocks pretty much forms your wisdom in form of opportunity cards. And these opportunity cards are really the business use cases that you deploy and use them in your day-to-day business to make effective decisions. That's the play we have in Diwo. So data in, wisdom out is, for us, forms of opportunity cards that we can present to you so that they are actionable. Diwo's philosophy is pretty much how can we move organizations from where they are to be opportunity-driven enterprises, which means they can no longer miss those opportunities and take actions when those opportunities are presented to them. The way Diwo is able to do that is because it's a man-machine cognitive system. Diwo, as an AI cognitive agent, is really able to interact with you like human. It's a guided dialogue-based system. It has no inherent biases because it's based on hypothesis. Hypothesis that it learns from different sets of data, massive data. It learns from your interactions. It learns from the decisions that you take and gets better over a period of time. and articulates contextual insights, which is really the actionable aspect of Diwo, which is presented in form of the opportunity cards that are demonstrated. Now, Diwo is based on our patented SEAL cognitive framework. SEAL stands for sense, explore, act, and learn. So sense essentially scans your business environment continuously and looks for opportunities when they happen. It takes the whole philosophy of digging into the data upside down. Explore is all about using that knowledge and wisdom to understand your business context better, to understand what's the cause and effect when they happen, and really optimize your decision-making process. And the decision-making process culminates into action, and where Diwo acts through its cognitive process, which is really the actionable part of Diwo. It presents opportunities which you can apply to your business scenarios and know what difference you made to your organization. But then that's not the ultimate piece. The ultimate piece for any AI solution is to learn. And learning is essentially driving users' behavior in a way that they can mature on the platform and incrementally use the knowledge to optimize their decision-making process. I will now present a quick video to summarize what all I said is part of a Diwo and its true AI capabilities, and hope it gives you a better sense.
What if you were able to see hidden business possibilities before they happened? Imagine the opportunities that have been missed because they were not discovered in time. Hi, I am Diwo, your sixth sense to see invisible opportunities, and your decision-making superpower to act on them. With the right insight at the right time, billions in lost revenue are waiting to be recovered. That's why I'm here. My optimization engine is always working in the background to continuously analyze complex data from a variety of sources, attuned to specific issues that tend to arise in situations like yours. I initiate our interactions by alerting you to potential problems and opportunities for your business before they occur. Being cognitive means I help lead our conversation. I'll suggest optimization strategies that you can tweak, and I'll show you the potential impact of each decision in real time. I show evidence for each recommendation I make, allowing you to explore all your options. Once you've decided on a strategy, I'll walk you through the steps to accomplish it on time. With my friendly conversational interface, you can talk to me in natural language, asking me questions about your business, and I'll guide you to deeper insights than you've ever had before. I do not stop at giving you a simple answer to your questions. As an artificial intelligence platform, I understand the greater business context and get to the root of the problem you're trying to solve. I learn from each interaction with you and adapt to your individual decision-making style. Instead of waiting for problems to occur and providing information on command, I am a forward-looking business optimization engine, anticipating your needs and coming up with solutions before you even know you need them. Isn't it time we started making decisions together? Welcome to the new era of opportunity-driven enterprise.
Welcome to Diwo. We are at booth 914, and we are happy to take your questions. Thank you.